different instances that have come of how dead bodies of COVID patients are being treated in a completely insensitive and ruthless manner. Now, these three instances have come to light days after a land mover was used to transport the body of a victim in Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam. A similar instance was witnessed in Karnataka's Davangere. And despite the Karnataka government taking serious note of the incident from Ballari, where bodies were dumped in a pit for burial, health workers in Yadgir disrespected the dead and threw the body before it was buried. So all of these instances of how these bodies are being treated ruthlessly are coming to light. Let's in fact take a look first at the incident from Karnataka's Ballari, where staff members involved in the mass burial have now been suspended. Karnataka government has suspended the healthcare workers who were involved in this incident after a video emerged of them actually throwing these bodies into a pit. The state health minister has also urged officials to ensure that the proper protocol is followed while cremating those who die of COVID. Meanwhile, in Davangere, a day after health workers threw a dead body of a COVID-19 patient into the pit, this is another incident that has emerged. In this video, health workers are seen using a JCB to move the body of a COVID patient into a burial pit. This incident took place in the presence of a Tehsildar as well as Taluk health officials. The 56-year-old woman, in fact, had succumbed to COVID on the 17th of June in Shivamoga district. In fact, that's not all. In Yadgir district in Karnataka, this is another shocking lapse that has now come to light. The body of a COVID patient was here as well thrown into a burial pit, and the visuals show how these two health workers dragged the body using a bamboo pole and then throwing it inside the pit. In fact, they also then removed their masks, their PPE kits, all of that, and dumped it into the pit as well. Let's in fact go across to Shrija, who's joining us for more details. Shrija, there is a proper protocol that needs to be followed when it comes to dealing with people's bodies who have passed away from the coronavirus. And here are multiple instances where these bodies are completely being treated ruthlessly and in an extremely insensitive manner. And this despite the state government taking action and taking note of such incidents, they still continue to happen.
That's right, Avni. In fact, the first incident that we saw came from Ballari district, and of course, that particular team handling the patient also has been disbanded. And what we see right now here is another second instance which has come to light from Davangere district. That apart, today another fresh case has come from especially Yadgir district of Karnataka, where we see the two health workers. Ideally, as far as the standard operating procedure goes, it does talk about there should be enough number of members, in fact, to handle a COVID patient's a dead body. And we see in this particular instance, a Yadgir instance, where only two people were deployed, and you can see that they are handling that particular body with the use of bamboo pole, and after which they are just tossing it into the pit. So this is the third instance which has come to light. Of course, the first instance from Ballari district, we see the entire team has already been disbanded, and as far as the even Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, is also concerned, he did condemn the incident and also did, in fact, instruct the health department as to this is not really the way how, a COVID patient, or even for that matter, the dead body should be handled, because there are standard operating procedures which are listed by the Karnataka government, which are similar to those of even the Ministry of Home Affairs as well. The first point does talk about how especially the health care workers will have to wear their PPE kits and should follow certain protocols like safety equipments. Now, those are some things that have already been followed, but however, disposing of the body, now that is something where we see violations that have come to light.
All right, Shrija, thanks so much for joining us with all of those details. Extremely unfortunate the way these bodies are being treated. Absolutely no dignity in death.